Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi. Yan, sa sign ng Aquarius, Lola Baby, nagpapakilala. Bibigyan ko kayo ng timeless reading sa mga natitirang araw, linggo ng buwan ng June at sa papasok na July, buwan ng July. Isang like, shares, and subscribe lang po. Yan. Ito po is general reading, not a personal or private. If you want a private reading, feel free to email Lola Baby. Okay? So, naririto ang tinatawag na the 10 of clubs. Okay? To the king of clubs. Yung tinatawag the jack of clubs. Ano? Something like that. And the 6 of spades. Diba? So, ito, nakikita ko dito ikaw. Okay? Ikaw at sila. Okay? It's like tinatawag na your communication, commitment. You have commitments. You have a contribution, part. Okay? It's like you are part of the groups, di ba? Part of the company. Okay? Part of them. Yan. Maaari ito sabihin na natin, you are part of the family. Part of the business, okay? So, nakikita dito ang tinatawag na the 10 of clubs, di ba? Sapagkat naririto ang the king of clubs with authorities, okay? Ibig sabihin nito, maybe you are dealing with people with authority, okay? Maaring you have also authority, okay? So the jack of clubs, di ba? It's like sabihin na natin ito yung either the page or the knight, di ba? It's like the order from the king of clubs, di ba? So ibig sabihin yan your interaction. Maybe sino itong mga ka-interaction ninyo, okay? Some of them are locals, some of them are foreigners. You are talking with foreigners, maybe different races, different people from all over Europe, okay? From different countries in America, Philippines, something like that. So nakikita ko dito. Diba? So there is an action. There is a tinatawag na unity, bonding, legalities, nakikita ko, di ba? Talking, yan, assembling. It's more about tinatawag na talino, okay? Exchanging intelligence, exchanging words, it's like showing documents, it's like tinatawag na imparting. And then, ano pa ito? It's like tinatawag na rito ang mga handshake. Very, very positive. Diba? You have a very, very good relationship with these people. Maybe you're living in another countries. All I can say is some of you are living in another countries and you are dealing with the foreigners. Okay? Maybe it has something to do about your job, your profession, or maybe you are married to a foreigner. Okay? So, tingnan natin na another tarot. Okay? Ano itong tinatawag na the 10 of clubs. Diba? So, it's about you hoping. Okay? You are hoping. I do not know. It's like you are waiting for the result. Okay? Maybe you are waiting for this result dito sa tinatawag people with authorities, okay? Because you are dealing with them, okay? Sabihin na nating maaari ito'y tinatawag mga universities, maybe you are studying abroad, di ba? Or immigration, employers, okay? So it's more about tinatawag you are tinatawag very, very positive. You are hoping, okay, na maibigay, ma-release dito, okay, mapasa iyo, whatever is this you are waiting. Maybe you are waiting a call, okay, a letter, a message, diba? Yan. Dito. Okay? So, let's see. The King of Clubs. You're always waiting. Na sana magkaroon ng success, di ba? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, what you are waiting. Lumabas dito ang the 9. Okay? The 9 of Pentacles. Di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, it will be soon na ito, manifesting. Okay? Manifesting na po ito. Yan o. I-release na. Kung sino ito, people with authority. Okay? It's like immigration, the employers, the military, the police, di ba? The government, di ba? Maybe it has something to do about your visa, your stays, maaaring yung pagtigil mo sa isang bansa, okay? Lilegalize. Whatever is that, you're waiting is finally, yan o, coming, okay? Kaya lumabas itong the 6 of Swords, okay? It's about manifesting, yan o. Nag-ano na siya, nag-appear, okay? Yan o. Waiting, nasa waiting list ka na, okay? Hindi na ito magtatagal, nakikita ko. You will be informed, maybe by email, a telephone, a person, yan ha, okay? So, tingnan natin ang the Jack of Clubs, okay? Yan o, the Jack of Clubs movement, okay? Yan o. The result you are waiting, yan, finally coming. Aquarius, yan o, believe me, it's finally coming. Aquarius, believe me, your waiting is over, nearly over, okay? So, tingnan ko ang tinatawag na the 6 of Spades. Yan na. Ibig sabihin nito, tapos na ang tinatawag na talak. It's like taltalan, usapan, exchanging words, exchanging ideas, processing, di ba? It's like tinatawag, nagkaroon na ng harmony. Yan ha? Nagkaroon na ng harmony. Yan. Kasi dito na. So, ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag na sandali lang ha? Ano na ito? Nasa waiting list na. Nasa waiting list ka na. Okay? So, sandali lang ha? Dahil ito yung tinatawag, napakagulo nito. Okay? Napakagulo niyan. It's like you are dealing. Kung ano itong tinatawag pa kay your intentions, di ba? So, nakikita dito, hindi ito iisang tao. Di ba? Yan o. Hindi ito iisang tao. It's like maraming sabihin na nating kanya-kanyang ideas, kuro-kuro, suggestion, di ba? Tinatawag na, ayan o, di ba? Sandali lang ha, dahil dito ako naguguluhan, okay? Dahil nasa waiting list ka, sandali. Kung talagang ito'y i-release, sandali. I-release na ba? Kasi ito lang ang nagpapabagal sa inyo, yan o. Ito ang nagpapabagal sa iyo, okay? Itong mga taong ito. Yan ha. Sandali lang dahil nasa tinatawag pa na sandali, hindi pa, sorry ha. Yan. Ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na it's like pinapolish. Okay, pinapolish maigi. Okay? Sa Santa Maria, pinapolish pa. So, sandali lang ha. Sandali. Pinapolish pa. So, sandali. Yan. Ibig sabihin nito nasa King of Cups. Okay? Hindi pumunta sa unahan. Sandali. Kumbaga dito mayroong bumibitin. Yan o. Yan ha. Supposed to be, ito'y tinatawag na manifesting na. May bumibitin dito. Okay? Meron ditong isang maligalig-galig. Diba? It's like tinatawag, sabihin natin 10 tao. Kung ano man ito, it's like may hinihintay kayo, di ba? Halimbawa, sabihin natin 10 tao, merong bumibitin. Let's say, sabihin natin ang bumibitin dito is 3, 5, di ba? Kumbaga dito, it's like juries, it's like, tatrabaho sa opisina, it's like tinatawag division of labors, di ba? Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag na, ayan malapit na. Okay, malapit na. Meron lang ditong tinatawag na maligali-galig. Okay, maligali-galig kausap. Yan ha. Yun lang, it's like tinatawag, sabihin natin, 1, 2 tao, 3 tao, sila ang nagde-delay. Dinedelay nila ha, sandali, dinedelay nila. Sa tinatawag the King of Cups, dinedelay nila. Okay? Yan ha, sandali, mahirap-hirap ito. Yan. Dito tayo. Yan ha. So, kung sino ito ha. Hindi makatakbo. Ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na the Jacob clubs, di ba? Yan kita ninyo. Umiikot lang itong tinatawag the world, di ba? It's like tinatawag na, ayan you will be confirmed, di ba? Pero umiikot. It's like you will be informed. Yung tinatawag the progress. Yun na nakikita ko ha. The progress, nasaan na, di ba? Halimbawa, from 1 to 10, nasaan na, di ba? Ay, nasa number 7, malapit-lapit na. Meron lang ditong maligali-galig. Yan na, may maligali-galig dito. It's like tinatawag na, hinohold niya. Yan, hinohold niya Yan, hinohold niya. It's like tinatawag na pinepending niya. Okay? Pinepending niya. Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na dito lang. Yan kita mo ito. Yan maligali-galig itong isang ito ha. Sandali. Kasi ang the world is narito. Diba? Narito ang the Jacob clubs. Sandali. So, kumbaga dito nakikita ikaw. Yan ito, that is your energy. Sandali. Akala ko i-release na. Ayan Yan ha. So, ibig sabihin nito, yan lumabas na itong dalawa ha. Magkakaroon na. Yan. Ibig sabihin nito, yan kung ano man ito ha. Kasi meron ditong maligalig. Yan maligalig ito ha. Yan. So, kumbaga dito pinepending niya, okay? Dinedelay niya. It's like itinatago niya, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na kaya hindi ito umusad sa tinatawag the King of Cups. Hindi umusad because of this person. Yan Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, yan, soon na ito ha, yan na, nagkakaroon na ng movement. Nagkakaroon na, ibig sabihin nito, napapapayag na, yan napapapayag na itong taong ito ha, napapapayag na siya, yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag, releasing na, yan. So, ibig sabihin, wala na ito, no more waiting, yan, no more waiting. So, ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag, the Jacob clubs, yan na, dito na ang the Jacob clubs, and the 6 of spades to the world. Yan ha. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na, na ito, it's like presenting na. Na ito. Yan pupunta na sa unahan. Yan kita mo. Wala na sa likod. Yan ibig sabihin, naharap na ito sa iyo. So, whatever is this, it's like tinatawag travel. There is a travel, a movement, okay? A transformation, an ending and the beginning. It's like tinatawag an ending of your waiting, okay? And the beginning. Ito na ang beginning, Whatever is this, ibig sabihin nito, magkakaroon ng fruition, success, luck, okay? Dahil ito lang nagpabagal, di ba? Dito. Kasi manifesting ang 6 of swords, di ba? Ang 6 of spades. Pero kumbaga dito, ito meron dito maligali-galig. As much as possible, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na pinipris niya. Okay? Pinipris, hinohold niya. Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag, disappointed na rin yung mga kasamahan niya, di ba? Pero ibig sabihin nito, yan kita ninyo, yan. Ibig sabihin nito, matatapos na. Magkakaroon ng tinatawag black and white na. Black and white na. Yan Kita ninyo. Kaya lumabas ito. Yan Coming na Coming at your favorite chatter. Ayan na po. Yan na Ibig sabihin na no more waiting. Okay? Wala na. Ko-confirm na kayo. For confirmation na ito. If this is a travel, immigration, a work, has it something to do about work, profession, or marriage, relationship, interaction, yan. Ito na Yan kita ninyo. Yan kita ninyo. Yan Ito na pasok na. Nasaan gayong isa? Yan Yan na ha, okay? Abutan na, releasing na ito. Ibig sabihin, accept na, di ba? So, for some of you, nakikita dito, tinatawag there is a trouble. It's like tinatawag there is no more returning. Okay? Yan Ibig sabihin nito, lalagyan na ng stamps. For stamps na ito. Stamps, okay? Ibig sabihin, it's, kung halimbawa kaso, case closed, di ba? If this is about tinatawag visa, ibig sabihin ito, stamps na ito. Yan, no? Releasing na po. Thank you very much.